Kiki, my 41 pounds in our country, Kiki.
My suitcase was 40.5 pounds. Hers was 41, and we over there laughing with the man so he could just slide. So we just got through TSA.
For breakfast.
We're going to go find some food because we're terribly hungry. Really hungry. So as we're getting on or going through TSA, this man, he's yelling out what we shouldn't have. He's like, take out your laptop, your flip-flop, your flop-flops. We're like, flop-flops.
Laptop, crop top.
Flop-flops.
Hotchkotch.
We should go again.
So we are coming in with our force. No service day at airport. Like.
Please lock doors for departure for
See you when we reach Kingston, Jamaica.
I dare you to start the clap.
We have arrived.
We just got off the plane and guys are like, hello. Yo, I have to use the bathroom. I use the bathroom so bad.
We're here.
Hello. Just touched down in an airport.
We're here. Okay, so we're about to go to where we are staying while we are here. Get ready and come back to Trisha's uncle's Boxing Day party. Then after that, a group of us is gonna go over to I Love Soca Jamaica tonight. So, okay, guys, we are ready to go to this wedding reception. We're cute.
In the dirt. Okay, so my romper is from Ross. And my heels are from Old Navy.
Okay.
And I have shoes in this Bridget's bag and my Coach bag.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this dress is from Annalise's closet because she let me borrow it. It's super cute. And these shoes are from this $9.99 shoe store in Orlando in Waterford.
Loving somebody and somebody loves you back. To be loved and be loved.
So Trisha and I are at the wedding reception. And we're both on our second glasses of wine.
With no food.
The wine is starting to slide.
My brother.
Trisha and I are
Yeah, man.
so lit at this
Any of you need
wedding
financial advice,
reception.
you just come
We're
through
just
me,
trying not to
and then
fall
I'll
in the
put you
pool
on
at
to
this
him.
point.
Okay, there's a commission there. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to ask Mrs. Mosley,
So they said there's hors d'oeuvres for us. I've never seen hors d'oeuvres like this.
It's so rotted moist.
There's breadfruit, patty, escabeche fish, 2 type of wings, jerk pork, jerk chicken, breadfruit, and a bread roll. I've never seen hors d'oeuvres like Did not know this was a cooler party.
Yeah, no, me either.
Now we have an igloo. We're about to be. It's so many people here. We
Sister,
haven't reached
I'm more face
inside
and come back, yeah?
Walking to the party. Gotta remember to look at the camera, not the screen.
Busy body, busy tonight. Afrobeats to the world. Making all the beat on this sweet occasion. So special every time. Yo, 1 in a million. Yo, every time I have to go, you give me the I shall return, and I must come back. You give me the I shall return, and I must come back. You give me the I shall return, yeah, and I must come back. Bring up the music, I shall return. Put Put up on the hand of the ear, I love soca. All who just fly in. All of me girl them.
Gin and smoke if you feel like. Fuck them girl if you feel like.
Listen.
We are just every party, people want food and make the Gaza man so happy. Street vibes, from as much me mix up in a cup, Canberry the Magnum.
So I am ready. We're getting ready to go to Saffron in Marketplace, the usual tradition. Then maybe later we will go to Triple Century in the outfit of the day. This like green jumpsuit and black Tory Burch. So yeah.
You understand what I mean?
Yes, and come from China.
But me not think that the Chinaman them not stupid. Chinaman them not stupid, man.
What's the white people?
And the deep part of Africa they come from. Deep part of Africa.
Where you see the foreigner them come and drive, right?
There's no civilization.
No.
No.
They don't know green mean go.
Eh?
They don't know green mean go.
No.
Sure.
A man, you see them there drive, and a man switch over for me, and I have to jam my brake. You know, when all the driver behind me sick, and the next driver beside and say, boy, driver, we see it, man. You understand? You see it. Me and him come side by side, so now a barbican. Him wind down in glass, hear him too, you know? Pussy, I want like say the road belongs to you.
Disgusting, man.
And what did you say to him?
You know, so me answer him. Me never go blame him. I don't know what I could answer a man like that, say.
People are too rude.
Disgusting. I don't know what. Me should have make them the nice, you know. I mean, just say anything and him wind down in grass. And I make him know, say, you go on like say the road belongs to you. After me in my right lane and he switch over for me. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
But you know, sometimes I just laugh. Because I just imagine if he did make all me lick him and he come out and tell me, say, and me come and go lick him.
Box him, yes.
Me don't know what would be the result, you know? I don't know what it is. So.
Okay, so here we are again at our favorite restaurant, Saffron, in Marketplace. The best food you will find, Indian food that you will find.
Crazy, man.
This is the best food that you will find, Indian food that you will find in Kingston. So make sure you come here. You say it.
Like it's my birthday. I'm visiting from England.
I'm visiting England.
From Compton, England. Birmingham. So yeah, them giving us the menu is rather pointless because we kind of already know what we want. But
So if you are a loyal person who watches our vlogs, you will know what we ordered. We got shrimp, rice, garlic naan. But let me tell y'all about this shrimp punch blended drink.
you have to drink it down to you mix it.
I think the man was pouring the rum and like accidentally dropped the bottle in our cup because like twice. Because it's full of rum, like I can't drink it. I can't drink it all.
I can't tell. Alright, so we are home from Saffron. Now we're getting ready to go to Triple Century. Yeah, Julio's out there watching TV. We're gonna go and get ready to head down there. Once again, waiting on Ashley.
Listen. Cuteness took time. Took time here.
My outfit of the day. We are home. I'm gone to bed.
Yeah, I'm about to go pass out.
Good night.
Oh, and I might have a new man apparently.
Who's your new man? Oh. On that note, we're out.